This is why it's not always a good idea when your insurance agent says, hey, let me send out my roofer to go take a look at these things. We just had a situation where a previous roofer had taken photos of the job. Insurance denied the claim. They called us out because we're Hague certified. We know how to do these things. We did a proper inspection and this thing had a ton of hail damage on it. Took all the proper documentation, sent it over to the insurance adjuster, the insurance agent. Now, the insurance agent said, oh yeah, I see that, but you know what, let me send my guy over and he'll take a look. Well, his guy went over and said, yeah, there's not really any hail damage. The hail damage that's on here is probably old. There's a little bit of dents to the metal, but that's a soft metal surface. Hail damage is hail damage, and first of all, this hail damage was not old damage. It was very fresh. We can tell the difference. This guy obviously was not Hague certified, and what happens here is a situation where it's the agent calls up his roofer and he says, hey, this one I don't really want to deal with. You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. The next one, I'm going to give you a good one and it'll be a slam dunk. I'll tell him just to go with you. Sometimes there's some money that's exchanged under the table. A lot of crooked stuff goes on. So not all agents are like that. I don't want to pretend like all insurance agents are like that. We know very, very many great insurance agents that play the rules by the book. They send out 3 roofers. And by the way, that's the key. When you call your insurance agent and he gives a recommendation, he needs to be giving you 2 or 3 roofers to go look at your roof. And it's always best to just get one opinion from someone that was not referred by your insurance agent, because unfortunately, sometimes this business is dirty. These things do happen, but always get a Hague certified. That's the key. Hague certified inspection. Those guys have been trained on how to do it. Not a lot of roofers have those guys, but we sure do. Give us a call if you like, or go to our website, coloradofamilyroofing.com.